So ngayon guys is natapos na kaming mag-ikot-ikot. Marami kaming inikutan and we buy too much things. This place guys is good for buy a lot of shoes. More on shoes, they have a lot of sale guys. Not expensive yung shoes nila dito and yung mga bags nila at yung mga clothes nila guys. Lahat branded items. At ang mumura lang talaga. If you come here, your savings finish. So, ayan. We just only sitting here in the fountain, guys. At parang fountain na rin yan, no? Parang, ayan. Dito kami nakaupo sa may init ng araw. Kasi yung init ng araw hindi masyadong strong. Tsaka malamig ang weather ngayon, guys. So, ganda yan. Ganito yung place. Ganito yung place.